Hey, guess what? There's my man Augie, man. The best comedian. But who's the fastest chef?
Right here.
Who that?
The man
And
with the pan.
Augie, Big Jack Augie. Yeah, so on. All the greatest members from the Hawaii food industry. But who's the fastest chef? Man in the pan! Big Jack and the man in the pan! Hey, guess what? You know, KTA and Hawaiian Airlines, we were solid. But you know what? Who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan!
Man in the pan! Big chunk of the man in the pan! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to show you guys something really amazing. This is like a perfect tofu dish. First of all, you got to cut the tofu in 4 pieces. I make them actually about 8 pieces. After you cut the tofu, you let it sit. You let all the water gets out. Then you coat it with some cornstarch. So in the meantime, I go half cup of chicken broth and I add in 1 shiitake mushroom. So I want the shiitake mushroom to absorb all the chicken broth and make it very soft. So 1 dry shiitake. Then, you know the tofu, right? I put it in here and I fry it. So while the thing is fried, you prepare some of the toppings. So I'm going to use some green onions, right? Make sure you wash it good. Here I got some bonito flakes, yeah? Open it up. Okay, get some ginger, right? Okay, just like this, okay? It's on my board. Fry it very crispy on all sides. Just like this, okay? The beauty of this pan is that things doesn't stick and it comes out very, very crispy. Remember the shiitake I slow in the sauce? I'm gonna slice it thin, okay? Take up the stand and I put it back. Okay, I think it's about done. Okay, take it out, okay? Now in this pan, remember this, I made this, you got the chicken broth and you got the mushroom in there. Put it in here. Okay. Add a little shoyu, a little mirin. Stir it up. Okay. Turn off your stove. When it's boiling, then you pour it inside your tofu tray, just like this, so that you don't put in too much. Now on the corner you can put in the green onions, put in the katsuboshi. Okay. There you go. The burger look good. But let's see how it tastes. Use a firm tofu, but you use a soft tofu, it's gonna fall apart. Here you go, I have a mushroom and everything else. Oh. Oh, it is so good. Unbelievable. Oh, it's so awesome. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. One more bite, I cannot stop. So hot.